Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to another Thrift Union video, and if you're new here, my name's Kevin. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down at the bottom and that bell as well to keep you alert when we got new content up. So this video is going to be a little different if you're used to seeing our eBay sales, thrift store hauls, but this is going to be a unboxing. Of course, what YouTube channel would be a YouTube channel without a classic unboxing video? So we did pick up a new camera, hoping to step up our YouTube game a little bit. We got this guy here, the Canon EOS M50. So yeah, we're just going to do a quick unboxing, see what we got inside, and we'll go from there. Oh, and of course, if you want a little more information about the camera itself, we'll put a link below, so make sure you check that out. Alright, here we go. Alright, so let's crack this open and see what we got inside. Alright, so of course, first we got the manuals. Wow, pretty thick. Some register offers now for Canon online photo album. Strap, the camera body itself, battery charger, battery, and lens. Let's get this out of the bubble wrap, see what we got here. Alright, so first impressions out of the box, it is solid. It does feel a little plasticky on this side, but it's really nice where the rubberized grip is. Really solid. Feels good in the hand. It's not too small. Fits my hands pretty good. Flip out screen. Fully articulating. Yeah, so first impressions of the look and feel, pretty good. Let's check out the lens. And this is the 15x45 kit lens that comes with it. Again, battery, strap, charger, manuals. So that's all that's in the box. Alright, so that's it. Just a quick, straightforward unboxing video of this guy here. We'll come back in about a week or so, let you know how it is working out for us. Of course, we're going to be using it for our YouTube videos and our eBay photos. So that's it for now. We'll leave a link below. Make sure you check that out. There'll also be a link for some of the other tools and stuff we use. Feel free to check those out. Other than that, thanks for stopping in. Take care. Have a good one.